Hello everyone, I am Hari Krishna. You are watching High School TV by Hari. Today's topic is 10th class. It is the second chapter polynomials, exercise 2.2. It is the first bit. Find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomials and verify the relationship between the zeros and coefficients. It is the second question. First question given in description. The second question, 4s square minus 4s plus 1. We have to find the zeros of this polynomial and also verify the relationship between the zeros and coefficients. Solution. This polynomial already arranged in according to their descending order of degree. It is a square to the power of 1, s square, s power 1, and it is a constant, that means s power 0. First we should write s square term, then s power 1, then constant term. First, to find the zeros, first write s square term, 4s square, first term and last term, write as it is, 4s square and 1. This we can find the zeros of this polynomial by splitting the middle term method. For that we have to write first product and sum. Multiply this constant term into first term. 4s square into 1 is 4s square into 1 is equals to 4s square. It is a product. We have to find the two integers. Their product is this 4s square and their sum is middle term minus 4s. 4s square. Take 4. 4 can be written as 1 into 4. And 4 also can be written as 2 into 2. 2 2's 4. And also 4 can be written as minus 2 into minus 2. Minus into minus plus 2 2's 4. So, here we got factors 1 into 4, 2 into 2, minus 2 into minus 2. We get the same 4, 4, 4. Sum. Take these factors. 1 plus 4 is 5. We are not getting middle term minus 4. And if you take 1 minus 4, we get minus 3. We should not take this 1 minus 4 because 1 minus 4 factors are not there in the product. So take this 2 plus 2. Adding this we got 4. But we require it is a minus 4. So take this minus 2 minus 2. Minus 2 minus 2 is minus 4. We are getting minus 4. So product of these two integers is 4. So it is a 4s square. Write a 2s, 2s. Minus 2s into minus 2s, 4s square. Here also minus 2s minus 2s. It is a minus 4s. So we got the sum of the two numbers is middle term minus 4s and product of the two numbers is 4s square. It is a last term product. Now 4s minus 4s can be written as minus 2s minus 2s minus 2s minus 2s plus 1 as it is. So now from these two terms, what is the common? First it is a 2s is a common from these two terms. From this 2s is taken out remaining 2s minus 2s is taken out remaining 1. Here also we should get a 2s minus 1. For that here minus 1 is the common because no 2 is the common, no s is the common. We get here minus taken out remaining 2s. Minus into plus 2s minus 2s. Minus into minus is plus 1. Here we got 2s minus 1, 2s minus 1. If you multiply this, we get again before step. So now it is a total single term, it is also single term. From this it is a 1. From this 2s minus 1, 2s minus 1 is a common. So take 2s minus 1 is a common outside of the bracket. Remaining from this total 2s minus taken out, remaining is here 2s minus here is 1. So we got two factors, 2s minus 1 and 2s minus 1. How can we know the zeros? By equating these factors to 0, we get the zeros. 2s minus 1 into 2s minus 1 is equals to 0. Now we get the zeros. 2s minus 1, this part, 2s minus 1 into 2s minus 1 equals 0 means either 2s minus 1 equals 0 or this value 0 or this value 0. 2s minus 1 is equals 0 if this value is 0, or if 2s minus 1, this second value may be the 0. In this question only we get same zeros, but we don't get the same zeros in all problems. Here 2s is equals to transposing minus 1 to other side plus 1. S is equals to 1 by 2. Transposing multiplication term 2 to other side, we get division. S equals to 1 by 2. Here also same, 2s equals to 1. S is equals to 1 by 2. Same. So what are the zeros? H is equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Therefore, zeros are 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. Now we have to verify the relationship between the zeros and coefficients. It is a rough work only. To understand easily, I wrote here. Verification. We can verify the two relations. First one is sum of the two zeros is equals to minus b by a. Actually, what is a polynomial? It is a given polynomial is 4s square minus 4s plus 1. Comparing this given polynomial with the ax square plus bx plus c. A, b, c, these are the coefficients. In the place of x, here s there. So a is equals to, we got 4, b in the place of b minus 4, coefficient of s, and c is a constant is plus 1. Sum of the two zeros is equals to, we have formula minus b by a. It is nothing but minus b by a. Minus of b value already minus 4 is there. Minus of minus 4 by a is 4. Minus into minus plus, 4 by 4 is, and cancelling them we get 1. Sum of the zeros by formula, we got 1. Sum of the zeros by adding these two zeros. Sum means addition, no? 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Two zeros adding 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Half plus half is 1, no? Or LCM is 2. Remaining it is a 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 by 2. 2 2 gets cancelled 1. 1 is equals to 1, no? So sum of the zeros verified by formula and adding the sum of the two zeros. By adding two zeros also we got same answer in the both LHS and RHS. That's why it is a verified. And one more relation is there. Product of zeros. Product of two zeros is equals to, it is a C by A relation. C by A nothing but it is a constant by coefficient of s square. A is 4, no? C is a 1, no? By 4. 1 by 4 it is a. Once again I am writing 1 by 4. We got a product of zeros is 1 by 4. By multiplying these two zeros, what we get? 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. We should also get same 1 by 4. 1 into 1 is 1, by 2 it is 4. It is a multiplication is equals to 1 by 4. Product of zeros also verified. By multiplying the two zeros, we got 1 by 4. In substituting a formula, we also got 1 by 4. So it is also verified. This is our solution. If this video useful to you, please like, subscribe and share.